I've been a funded trader for nearly 3 years. I have 7 figures in prop firm capital under management and 6 figures in prop firm payouts. Since I first started trading 4 years ago, I've never lost a funded account, but I have made some very expensive mistakes along the way. Unlike most trading influencers, I don't have 50 failed prop firm challenges to flex because I didn't gamble my way into this position. I have a relatively high pass rate with my prop firm challenges by being a patient and disciplined trader. A real trader. If you're early in your prop firm journey, congratulations, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 8 most important tips before you start your first prop firm challenge. Every prop firm has unique rules. Some may only allow 1 IP address per account. Others may close the account if you haven't taken a trade in 30 days. Study their drawdown rules. Can you open trades around news events? Do they require you to risk an average percentage per trade? What's the max allocation per trading strategy, etc. Admittedly, there is a lot to research when you're first getting started with prop firms, and it wasn't like this when I started 4 years ago, fortunately, but it is crucial to ensure that your strategy doesn't break any of their rules, because you don't want to give them a single excuse to deny your payouts, because trust me, they will use every excuse that they've got not to pay you out. A few months ago, my brother told me that his friends were taking their first ever prop firm challenges, and I said, that's great, how long have they been trading for? And he said, I think they've been trading for a while, about 1 to 2 months. And I thought, oh my god, that's not good. Unfortunately, this is not trading, it's gambling. Before taking your first prop firm challenge, you need to make sure that you have a thoroughly tested system with at least 100 trades of backtesting and several months of experience trading the live markets as well. You may feel fully prepared right now. You've read the trading psychology books, but trust me, once you've hit a 5 trade losing streak on, 100k prop firm account, all logic is thrown out the window, and that's when emotional decisions are made. You need a thoroughly tested system and a clear trade plan. My third tip is something that will help with your trading psychology. Remember throughout the challenge that you're not trading real money, it's just a demo account. You're always trading on a demo account, even after you've gotten funded. In the challenge phase, you'll probably be seeing bigger wins and bigger losses than you've ever seen before, and this can easily start to impact your subconscious. If you lose your trading challenge, you're gonna feel like you've just lost $100,000, but in reality, all you've lost is the £500 challenge fee. This leads me to my next tip, which is that failing challenges is normal, and that's not something you're going to hear from a trading influencer very often. Sometimes in trading, the most beautiful 10 out of 10 setup will result in a 1% loss, and that's absolutely fine. You don't expect to win every trade, so don't expect to win every prop firm challenge either. There are a lot of variables outside of your control in the market, so you can't blame yourself as long as you followed your trade plan. Failing challenges only becomes a problem if you're losing them back to back to back to back, That's when you may want to consider doing some more back testing, refining your edge, or building up more confidence trading in the live markets with real money. Tip number 5, remember there is no rush to pass. Prop firms are not going to make you rich overnight. Back in the day, prop firm challenges had time limits. I had 30 days to pass phase 1 and 60 days to pass phase 2. And as a swing trader, this made prop firm challenges really hard because some months I'd have 0 trades that fit my plan and I'd have to gamble my way to try and pass phase 1 because otherwise I was just going to lose on time, Today we have unlimited time challenges and I encourage you to make the most of this. Take your time and don't over risk. Passing a challenge over 8 to 12 months is infinitely better than not passing at all. To give yourself the best chance of passing, you're going to want to choose when you start your challenge at least a little bit strategically. For example, we recently had the US elections, which can lead to certain trading strategies performing particularly well. For me, the first quarter of the year, so January, February, and March, always performs particularly well. So I like to scale up my prop firm portfolio around that time of year. There's always good discounts at Christmas as well, so I can start buying the challenges in December and I can start trading them in January. Here's something that I wish that I did. Start with a small prop firm challenge and build your way up. Rather than failing a bunch of 100k or 200k challenges, prove to yourself that you can pass a challenge first by doing it on a 25k or a 50k challenge. Get your first payout, get the challenge fee refunded, and then use that money to buy a bigger prop firm challenge. This is the most sustainable way to scale up your prop firm portfolio, but it's also the least glamorous way, which is why you'll probably rarely hear it mentioned online. My last tip is an important one. Make sure that you're setting realistic expectations when it comes to prop firms. You can fall into some pretty deep holes in trading, and remember that prop firms want you to fail. They make 99% of their money from failed challenge fees. They don't want to see you succeed. They don't want to give you your payouts. Ultimately, prop firms are just a tool for us to access more trading capital. We have to focus primarily on growing our personal trading accounts. Try and invest the majority of the money you receive from any prop firm payouts back into your personal trading account, and only save a little bit on the side, maybe 5 to 10% for reinvesting into future prop firm challenges. If you're new to the channel and found these tips useful, be sure to subscribe down below. I'm going to be dropping videos like this every 1 to 2 weeks, full of value, and I think you're going to find them really helpful. If you watched the end of this video, thank you very much. Comment with this emoji to show me that you made it to the end, and I'll comment right back. Thank you very much for watching, and have an awesome week.